Hi, how are you guys today? I just finished today my work and I visited one of my customers' warehouse and to talk about what's going on lately. And it was going pretty well, so I'm quite satisfied with my result, what I did today. And tomorrow, I'm gonna visit some of markets around here because recently many people they are starting use dish laundry, which is 식기세척기 in Korean language. I don't know the machine which help for us to clean up the dishes or plates, even for the forks, spoon things. If you know about this machine's name, please let me know down below. And go back to the topics. So I'm gonna looking for some brands for the machines detergent because there are a lot of brands from LZ, Lion, something like that. So I'm gonna check about it to know about these days trends. So I hope it's going well. And let's get to the today's random question. Bam. Mm, oh, there are a lot. Ah, if you were an animal, what would you be and why? So if I were an animal, maybe you guys know previous question. This ChatGPT asked me what kinds of animal do I wanna talk with. So actually, I wanna be a dolphin because I really love ocean because under the ocean there are a lot of creatures like fishes, sharks, dolphins, whales, even for turtles. If I could be the dolphin, I can swim around and I can take those beautiful scenery in my eyes, which is fantastic things. So I wanna be the dolphin and I wanna swim around the world and having fun with my dolphins friend, and they're quite intelligent. So I don't if I were a dolphin, I didn't have to think about losing my knowledge or uh, intelligent because I'm a dolphin. And they have a lot of fun activities they are enjoying together, and they can talk each other. So if I found something beautiful place, I can have talk with my dolphins friend. It'll be nice. And uh, if I were a dolphin, would definitely go through the Pacific Ocean because Pacific Ocean they are huge. So definitely they have a lot of uh, amazing landscape and even for unknown animals living in the ocean. So what about you guys? If you were an animal, what would you be and why? Please let me know down below. And if you have any question to ask about my answering for being dolphin, please let me know. And take care your night and day. and I'm gonna see you next video. Bye bye.